Panasonic's Lumix G9 and Olympus's OM system. OM-1 may look tiny, but they pack a punch with killer features. Olympus is swinging for the fences with its high-tech stacked sensor, and Panasonic is getting crafty by refining their already popular G9. Both snap stunning photos and videos in compact bodies, but only one takes the belt as the best MFT camera out there. In this video, we're going to find that out. The new G9 camera has a more modern design compared to the original DSLR, like the Lumix G9. It looks a lot like the S5 II, so much so that you might mistake one for the other. However, there are some trade-offs. You lose features like the top LCD and front fin lever, but you gain better control with twin dials, a more noticeable AF selector, and a dedicated dial for continuous shooting. The electronic viewfinder hasn't improved much, but the rear LCD has gotten a significant upgrade, providing a detailed and bright shooting experience even in direct sunlight. Although the weight is the same as the old model, this micro 4/3 camera might seem relatively large for its category. In contrast, the OM-1 features a body with a more substantial grip than previous EM-1 cameras, maintaining a familiar control layout. The design includes smooth, curved edges, a new shutter button, and concave AF or drive mode buttons to reduce accidental presses. This rugged camera exceeds industry standards with an official IP53 weatherproofing rating. An elegant touch is the curved thumb grip, cleverly concealing twin SD card slots. The card door is securely locked but easily opens, and both slots support UHS 2. The OM system, OM-1, is available in a single black color option. Beneath its exterior, the G9 boasts a newly designed 25.2 megapixel live MOS sensor paired with an entirely new processing engine. Using a high-resolution pixel shift mode, the G9 can now produce 100 megapixel images even when handheld. The upgraded autofocus system, featuring an expanded 779 phase detection autofocus system known as hybrid phase AF, not only enables faster and more precise focusing, but also introduces advanced subject recognition and tracking algorithms. In the video department, the camera excels with resolutions of 5.7K at 60p and 4K at 120p. Panasonic has also significantly improved the image stabilization system, providing up to 8 stops of in-body stabilization. For still photography, the micro 4/3 sensor stands out, especially when you need greater reach for capturing sports or wildlife moments due to its 2-time crop factor. Now the OM-1 is built on a new 20 megapixel stacked CMOS image sensor, representing a step beyond BSI backside illuminated designs. Stacked sensors use layers of semiconductors to enable more intricate designs and faster readout speeds. This specific sensor has 20 million micro lenses and a Bayer array with 20 million color patches. Each color patch contains 4 photodiodes that collaborate to form a single pixel. These subpixels can be read individually, allowing the camera to capture 4 slightly different perspectives of the scene. By comparing these perspectives, the camera can gather depth information, enabling phase difference autofocus in an X-shaped pattern. Although the stacked CMOS design of the OM-1 provides only twice the readout speed of its predecessor due to the challenge of reading 80 million individual photodiodes, it still enables the execution of the handheld high-resolution mode. This mode captures 8 images with slight offsets to create 50 megapixel images, now with a reduced risk of subject movement between shots. When using Vlog mode, the Lumix G9 can record in 4:2, 210-bit, providing an impressive dynamic range of up to 13 stops. Additionally, it supports recording in the Apple ProRes format and allows direct recording according to an external SSD. Another significant change with a substantial impact is the new dual output gain system. Panasonic describes this as a system with two separate readout paths that receive different gain levels, and then these two signals are merged or combined. Users also have the capability to create and install real-time lookup tables directly onto the camera, applicable to both photos and videos. The camera comes with 19 pre-made LUTs, including the new Leica monochrome option. While achieving the highest video image quality with the OM-1, the H.265 format enables recording 4K 10-bit footage at a maximum of 60 frames per second. This format offers the choice between M-Log or hybrid log gamma, marking a significant advancement. When using image stabilization for smooth handheld videos, a slight crop is applied to the 4K image area. The in-body image stabilization of the OM-1 relies on a highly responsive gyroscopic sensor, similar to the one introduced in the EM-1X. But the module in the OM-1 is smaller and faster. It effectively corrects the camera. Shake across the 5 axes, providing up to 7 stops of correction. When combined with lens-based optical image stabilization known as Sync-S, it can achieve up to 8 stops of correction for yaw and pitch. With higher resolution mode, better video specs, and advanced autofocus powered by the stacked CMOS sensor, the OM system OM-1 is the winner here. The Lumix G92 is still a highly capable camera, especially for Panasonic users who are invested in the Lumix or Panasonic ecosystem. But the OM-1 stretches boundaries and offers the best overall Micro 4.3 performance. So if you demand the highest quality from the Micro 4.3 system, the OM system, OM-1 takes the crown over the G9 II. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share it with your friends if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.